Okay. Okay, here's the shower pod, inflated. It goes to the floor to the ceiling. Alright, hi everybody. Now I'm demonstrating. I'm inside the pod. You notice I have, looks like about another inch above my head. Our newer bags are actually going to be a little bit taller. We're trying to aim for about 6'2" to 6'4". This one I think is right around probably 5'11". I'm 5'10", so I've got about an inch above my head. As you can see, the bag has completely pressurized. The zipper's all the way up, and what it's doing is it's forming to whatever it's hitting. There's my microwave, so it's pressed up against there, and it really does seem quite firm. There's our pressurizing fan, so it's blowing outside air in here to help create the pressure. There's one of our tables, and you can see right down here, this is the car seat. So it pushed itself right up against the car seat. And there's the lip of the van, and there's the wall of the van. So it is pressed right up against the wall. On the floor, what I have is I have my water tank. This is my water heater, which I've already heated up, so it's unplugged. There's no cables coming in. I've got my spray nozzle, and I'm using the higher flow spray nozzle, so this will give me about 6 minutes worth of shower time, but it kicks out a lot of water. I'm really happy with the quality of the amount of water that's coming out. I've also got this guy right here. This is like a syringe. This is a suction pool toy. So that's the easiest solution we've come up with for sucking the water up off the floor. Once we suck it up, we're then going to spray it into these Arizona jars. So this holds 1 gallon, so this will suck up all the water that we use, and I'll be able to put it inside of here. I've also got my body soap and my shampoo, and that's everything I need to bring in here for this. And you can see that I have quite a bit of floor space. Move around. The wall from one side to the other is about 31 inches, so I can actually stretch out my elbows pretty good. It's elbow to elbow. And now I'm ready to take my shower. Okay, so now I'm inside of it, and I am just waiting for it to reinflate so I can actually start taking my shower. We got my face pressed against the edge of it to help maintain a tighter seal. But as you watch, you can see the wrinkles will slowly start to disappear. I can already feel it stretching around me. So let's go ahead and zip it up. Okay, so now let's talk about the clean out part. I used this wand to help suck up the water, and it's not really working now. I've pretty much sucked it all up and placed it in here. So that's what I'm showing that I've used as far as water goes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to take a towel, or I'm going to take a towel or something. I'm just going to kind of wipe off the bottom of the jug so I can place it down. I'm going to grab all the soap stuffs because I don't want to knock these over, and I'm just going to kind of wipe them off so I can put them away. Okay. Grab my soap, kind of wipe that off, put it away. That's my shampoo. Now I'm left down to the sucker and the hot water heater. So now I'm going to take the water heater out, and it still has quite a bit of water in it. I'm just going to kind of wipe it down, put it aside. Now I'm going to pick up my shower pod. And then I am going to take it outside. Okay, so now I went ahead and turned it inside out. Get the rest of the water residue out. I'm going to go ahead and dry off the bag best I can. Wipe it down. Throw next plan is to just kind of turn it inside out. Just lay it over something and let it finish drying out before I pack it up, because I do not want to roll it up wet. Because if I do, there's a good chance we could get mold at any time. So we're just going to let that just kind of sit in the sun and just kind of dry out. Once it's all done, then we're going to roll it up and put it away.